Hello everyone. Let me introduce a new agent called ATFRAW. ATFRAW is Autonomous Test Failure Resolution Agent. So it's not an analysis agent; it's a resolution agent. What it does is, if your coding fails, if your script fails, and you people will be doing an RCA, and then you will be doing some fixes, right? So this agent will automatically identifies the issue. If it is a code related issue, let's say the locators are different, right now in production that locators looks different and your code locators are different, then it will automatically fix it, and then it will rerun the script again in the pipeline, and if it pass it will raise the PR. So that is what the atfra do. Let me show you a demo of atfra now. So for what we build is, it is a demo page, like just an sample page, and we are just doing an assertion, and then username, password, entering username and password, and clicking on submit button. So I know the locator for this password field is like its password. I wanted to fail the script, so that is the reason I added a cred. So what I need to do is, before that I'll show you a actions as well. This is the actions tab. If you see, I have one action that called playwright test. This will trigger the playwright test. If it fails, the another workflow will get started. I'll show you that. Let me run this first. So cred. So I need to add this, and then I need to add a commit message. Do. Yes, it is getting added with, usually it won't much take much time. Yeah, got that. So I just committed it. So directly pushing to the main branch. So just for demo, or if it is in production side, we definitely never touch the production, the main branch. So now I'll go check the playwright test tab. Nothing started, sync changes. Just push the code. So it should start the test. All workflows. Wait for a second. Submit. Yeah, it started. So it's in progress. Let me open the test and see the logs, installing all dependencies, runnings, and then so wait for run test. So installing all dependencies, all necessary packages. Yeah, I'm scrolling down a little fast. Yeah, it came at the stage. You need to install something. Yeah, it is installing the browser. Mm, Firefox, WebKit. Yeah, it started the test. It says collected one item. That is, we have only one test, so it just collected one item, and it is going to fail now. Let's see the failure as well. We are just passing the failure logs to the agent to analyze the failure and fixing it. Yep. So this will take not much time. Hopefully, it should fail immediately. Let's wait. Yes, it got failed and saying the reason. Where is that? Before should yeah, waiting for located credit is not available. So let's jump to the summary, and you see, go to the tab, actions tab. We can see another agent got started it. So this is our autofix agent. If it is failure, if any pipeline test pipeline fails, this will automatically starts the workflow, and it says autofix. And yeah, it is also installing some dependencies, and we are using Gemini because it is, we can use it. So because we have the API keys for different models, so that is the reason I'm using Gemini. And if you want, you can use Claude, Codex, GPT, or anything, whatever you have. So uh, there is no suggestions like you can use it in any LLMs. to identify and fix the issues. So for me, I'm using Gemini because I subscribed it. I want to use it. So run auto agent, auto fix agent is running. This will show you clearly what failure and how it fixed. And what all the things we are passing is, we are also passing the DOM structure and the screenshot of the page, so that LLM can easily understand what needs to be changed. It's running, running, running. Let's wait. We should give some time to agent as well, because it needs to analyze everything and it should fix it properly. Or else, if it again fails, our agent will rerun, fix the issue, and again rerun. And it should not run for multiple times, right? So we make it as maximum 5 times it will fix and run. If it keeps on failing, our script won't run and it will say it won't run. So autofix is done. So if you see over here, it's installed dependency. Yeah, I'm just fix it post upload autofix debug log install agent, no files no artifact postman setup. Okay, now I'll go back here. Playwright test. Yeah, see, the playwright test, this was a run which we triggered, but this is autofix run which was triggered by the agent. Let me open it, playwright test, and we can see the test passed. Run test, I'll show the logs as well. Yeah, the test got passed. Now I'll go back here, and the main thing is pull request. I'll open this, I'll show you. See, it identifies you have cred, but the password field on the page is password. So this is a change which agent fixed and raised a PR. And if I open the commits tab, I can see on commit message with PR, I can see, yeah, one file changed, that is test.py. It's hash cred, it is not hash cred, it is hash password. So what I will do is, seriously guys, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to merge this one and I'll show you. So yeah, merge this pull request, confirm merge. And yes, if I again go to actions, so this run is triggered by the merge pull request. So I have added this. So each and every time which whenever I merge the code, the test will trigger. If you don't want, we can change it in the YAML file. It's a simple one line changer on pull request. If you can delete that line, it won't run. But I wanted to make sure the demo is complete. Uh, Even you can understand how the pull request was raised by the agent. Even we can automate the, even you can ask the agent to approve the pull request. We can align new agent to approve the pull request. But if something goes wrong in the production, it is very difficult. So I wanted to make sure a human should approve the pull request. Yeah, the test is running. It's installing the dependencies. So anyway, it already passed in by the, it is already ran and passed by the agent. I wanted to make sure this is a duplicate, but fine. Let's see how it works. Okay, 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 okay. Now run test, done. Run passed. So quick. It got passed. Everything got passed, and this is an example how a agent, that autonomous agent, what we build is currently doing. And yeah, as I mentioned earlier, agent is not just writing a text in and passing to the LLM and getting back the response from the LLM and passing in the chat window. So LLM, so agent should do some action using tools, and also you should have a memory. So similarly, if you want to build something for your organization, if you want to learn something with the agents, please do like, subscribe, and comment. If you want the repo, just add a comment repo, and then I'll share the link to you. Thank you. Have a great day.